Okay, so now what we've got is we've got year 7 reactions, a bit of chemistry, okay, which is fantastic. Right, first thing you're going to need to know, you need to know 5 signs of a chemical reaction. Okay, so if you look at something, how do you know a chemical reaction is actually happening? So you literally need to list them. You've got colour change, temperature change, so it could get hot, it could get cold, it could make a noise, there could be a fizzing, so bubbles getting given off, or there could be a new product that's formed. Okay, so you need to now think about how you're going to remember those 5, and when you're asked signs of a chemical reaction, you can just list them. You're also going to need to draw a diagram, and I want an exothermic reaction. You've got to draw this shape. So your axes, energy, direction of reaction. Then you've got a red line on there, you don't have to do it in red. Okay, it starts off as energy of the reactant, so that's the amount of energy at the start. Then there's a hump, and you need to put an arrow on for the activation energy for that hump. Once it gets over the peak of the hump, it then decreases to the energy of the products, so that's how much energy is left. And then the other arrow, the energy released, is the amount of energy actually given out in an exothermic. So exo means give out, so that arrow at the bottom is the amount of heat energy released. This graph for an endothermic reaction looks almost the same. Energy, direction of reaction. You start with energy of the reactants, you end with energy of the products. Your activation energy is then up to the peak, but this time that blue arrow on the right hand side is the amount of energy that's absorbed, right? Because in an endothermic reaction, energy goes in, okay, and it actually feels cold. Right, now what you've got to do is you've got to practice them. List the first 5 things that we talked about how you know a chemical reaction has happened, then draw and label the 2 graphs.